Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Silverado LT All-Star Edition. Now, it is a four-wheel drive crew cab with only 238 miles on it and is being sold as new with warranty at Apple Chevrolet. Now, we are offering all of our customers over $10,300 in savings while giving you guys an option to earn an additional $1,500 if you finance through GM Financial. It does come equipped with our back tinted windows and also 17 by 8 inch bright silver rims. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our all-weather mats with our jet black cloth seating. We do have our center console, which flips up into a third seat. We have heated seating, a Chevy MyLink radio, a heated steering wheel, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.